At Boyds, we help small companies and universities translate their research ideas into prescription medicines. We can help our clients with the whole development process if they want. To help support development, we have program managers, a very strong regulatory group, we have physicians and a clinical operations group. We also have access to external consultants that will help us with things like toxicology and statistics. We've worked with some clients for several years because of the time it takes to actually develop a medicine, which on average is around 10 to 12 years. As part of the development process, we've even taken the medicines up to regulatory approval and generated the appropriate regulatory documents to be submitted to agencies like the FDA, the European Medicines Agency and the MHRA in London.
In product development and program management, we help clients develop their products throughout the drug development life cycle. It could be from late stage discovery through to phase 2, or it can be right through to commercialisation of the product. I think what my group brings to clients is the ability to help them decide what needs to be done first, what can be done in parallel versus in sequence and therefore save time, and the best way to get through the drug development process as efficiently as possible. My group works particularly with startup companies and small companies who need help with their development projects, or they don't have enough hands on deck to move their projects forward. And this is something we can really help them with, augmenting their internal team and getting things moving in the early days, especially when funding is limited.
The Boyds Regulatory Affairs team helps companies to establish interactions with regulatory agencies throughout the course of development. We help companies approach regulators to discuss the design of clinical trials, obtain incentives to enable faster market access for new medicines. At Boyds, we work on many complex and novel technologies, often at a very early stage of development. When we do this, we're able to bring all of our expertise to the table and help offer solutions and risk mitigation strategies for our clients. Our breadth and depth of experience, specifically in the advanced therapy field, has seen us work on a number of cell and gene-based therapies for patients, where we've worked with clients from early stage development right through to marketing authorization and beyond. We have really well-established relationships with key regulatory agencies, and we're well known especially for our work in the field of advanced therapies, where we prepare complex but well thought out and logically supported proposals for the agencies to consider. For our clients, this means the ability to connect with regulatory agencies via a safe pair of hands.
The clinical operations team at Boyds work with clients to help them plan a route into the clinic for a variety of different products. So it can be small molecules, it can be gene therapies, it can be advanced therapies. And we do this across all study phases and across multiple countries.
My team are also very experienced in cell and gene therapy development. With some of them, they've worked with me for a number of years, and we've developed now specific expertise to advise companies about the sort of work that's needed to turn that research idea into a medicine that will eventually become a prescription product for use in patients. Out of the 10 ATMPs that have now been approved on either side of the Atlantic by the FDA and the European Medicines Agency, we've worked at some time on 7 of them. Having so much experience in gene therapy development, we've developed particular expertise in the GMO regulations around the product, which helps our clients significantly. So we are often involved in developing drug-device combination products. And also, because of the genetic makeup of many of the diseases we treat with gene therapy, we also get involved in the diagnostic techniques to determine what that genetic defect is. Over the past 15 years or so, Boyds has grown significantly. We started off with an office here in Cheshire, and we now have offices in Cambridge, in the south of England, in Dublin in Ireland, and also in Pennsylvania, in the USA. I know I run a very successful business, which I'm very proud of, and which our clients appreciate the work we do for them. But I'm a doctor first, and what gets me up in the morning is the excitement and my passion about developing medicines for the benefit of patients in the future.